Hey y'all, thought I would film a little tutorial on eye perspective, and I thought it would be easier to voice it over. First off, talking about the types of eye shapes. In my art style, any shape can be an eye as long as you round out the corners. As you can see, I've lightly erased some different shapes here. I got a rectangle, a triangle, upside down triangle, and a square. All these pretty easy to make into eyes. And I usually don't connect the upper and bottom line in the like the inner corner, but if you're doing makeup, such as a wing look right here, you would want to connect that. That is very poorly drawn, but I think you guys get the idea. And then weirdo square pupil. Then we have a upside down triangle. I'm gonna round out the corners a little bit. Not gonna connect the inner eye. Boom, bada bing. Again. And then the square is kind of the same thing as a rectangle. And I think these bottom shapes really help me draw the second eye, which I used to really struggle with. Using these reference guide shapes, it makes it much easier. Next up, I have something on the different head positions. I think I covered the front facing in my first tutorial. These are going to go on either side of the nose right here, and I'm just using a circle for reference. In a front-facing side, it is going to be in line with the nose bridge, which I've drawn right here. And like I said, the nose is going to go right below the circle line in your regular, like perspective. So eye is going to go right here and right here. And remember, when you're dealing with a 3/4 perspective, the second eye is going to be smaller in width, but it's going to be the same in height. Last up, we have side perspectives, and I know my side perspective is a little wonky. I don't have a ton of practice on those. Again, it is going to be in line with your nose bridge. On the back here, I've drawn some little doodles on perspective, depending on the where your kind of camera is, higher or lower than the face. When your camera is higher than the face, more of your forehead is going to be visible. So this means that everything is going to move downwards. Your nose is going to be below the line again. I would put it lower than you would in your normal perspective, and then your eyes are going to follow that. So these are going to be on the circle line. When you're dealing with a higher perspective, everything is going to move up. So your nose is going to be up on top of the circle line, and your eyes are going to follow that. And then remember, your forehead is going to be much shorter when you're dealing from a bottom up perspective. Hope this helps. See you guys later.